Although we may associate refraction most strongly with the change in direction, you may remember from National 5 that we actually define it from the change in speed. So when light travels from one material into another, from a vacuum into any material, it will slow down. And the refractive index now, so we're going to put values to it. We didn't do this at National 5, but basically the refractive index is a measure of how much it slows down. So it's a ratio of the speed in the vacuum divided by the speed in the material. And because it's a ratio, then it won't have any units. Now, the speed of light in air is so close to the speed of light in the vacuum that for practical purposes we just take that as the same, and so we can study this. We don't need to go and get a vacuum to study it. We can look at it, light passing from air into any material. And so that gives us a definition of refractive index. In the formula sheet it's written as V1 divided by V2. And V1 is always air and V2 is a medium, so it doesn't matter whether you're going from air to the medium or medium to air. The formula is always written that way around. There's some common examples of refractive index and a wee simulation here of it actually happening. So first one, we see the ray of light slowing down when it's inside the material and then speeding up again. If we do that at an angle, then we do then get a change in direction. It's still slowing down as it enters and speeding up as it leaves. So refraction's occurring twice in each of these simulations, as it enters and it leaves, enters and leaves. So you're getting slowing down and speeding up, and when it's at an angle, then it will change in direction. If the block is rectangular, so if these two sides are parallel, then these two lines will be parallel, the original direction and the final direction. But we'll see other shapes and materials like triangular prisms where that's not the case. And from the first diagram, when the ray of light is perpendicular to the face, then there is no change in direction.